So students, today we are learning active voice and passive voice, but there is a different tense, that is the present perfect tense, isn't it? And before this we have learned that is the simple present tense and present continuous tense, both active and passive voice. So let us look what are the helping verbs in this tense. Helping verb, that is a has, have in the active tense. Present perfect tense, active tense, there are the helping verb has, have. Structure, subject, helping verb plus v3 plus object plus extension. Here in the passive voice you can see that present perfect tense, passive voice, helping verb here has been, have been. Little bit difference, that here in the active voice there are the has and have, and in the passive voice there are the has been and have been. Structure is little bit different, that first we take here object, in this active voice we take first subject, here then helping verb both are same according to the singular and plural. Then here v3, each and every active passive voice we have to use there, apply only v3, then by, then subject. So students, according to this structure, we have written two sentences. First, Sachin has written a letter. Sachin, that is the subject. Helping verb, that is the has. There are two, both it means that has and have, but we have to apply has here because Sachin is singular form. So then v3, so written is the v3 of write, v1. Then last is the object, that is the letter. Sachin has letter. According to this structure, subject, helping verb, then v3, then object last. So here while converting active to passive, we have to take first, let us see here, that is the structure of the helping I mean to say present perfect tense, passive voice, object first, helping verb v3 by plus subject. So in this sentence, which is the object, you can see Sachin has written a letter. So according to this, letter is the object, so we will take first in the passive voice a letter. Then letter is singular, so we have to apply here has been. Then v3 according to structure, so we have written here also third form of written of v1 right, then by plus subject. Let us check, is this sentence right, is I am to say right or wrong according to structure. First object, then helping verb, then v3, then by plus last subject. So students, let us look another sentence is there, that they have read the newspaper. So here subject, that is the they, and this is the plural form, isn't it? So we have to apply here have because they are plural form, therefore we have applied have. Then v3 read and the newspaper object. So now we have to convert active to passive. So what we need first, object, which is the object, newspaper is the object. So we will take it first while converting active to passive. So let us look here, that the newspaper, isn't it, that is the object according to structure. Object, then helping verb has been. Newspaper is singular, therefore we have applied here has been. Then v3 read, v3 according to structure, v3 read, then by according to structure, and last subject them. It means that then they will convert into the them while converting direct, I am to say active to passive. So students, here today we have taken, that is the active voice and passive voice. Here according to this structure we have written a sentence, Sachin had written letter, that first subject, then helping verb, then v3, and last this is the object. So and you know very well, while converting active to passive we need first object. So in this sentence we have taken this first letter, that is the object, and this object is singular, therefore we have applied has been. Then v3 written, and last by plus subject. So in this tense also we have written that the newspaper, this is the object of this sentence in the active voice. Newspaper is singular, therefore we have applied has been. Then v3 read, then by plus last them. So students, according to this structure we have written two sentences. I hope you might have understood this topic, and we will take remain portion of this topic in the next topic.